Hey everyone, Lori Broccoloni here, happynaturalhorse.com and Natural Equine Remedies, helping you help your horse stay healthy the natural way with equine natural remedies. Anyways, Harmony Equine, she is in my book, Natural Equine Remedies, which I suggest you buy. Teaches you how to feed your horse and take care of it in emergencies. So she's talking about the gut microfluoride here, or microbiotic, repairing the gut microbiota. Anyways, which antibiotics kill, and we all know that. So, but in horses, it's pretty damaging because it can create holes in their stomach. And then you end up with a horse that has a blown out gut and gets colic and costs you a lot of money. The horse suffers, and usually they don't make it. So anyways, so she's talking about repairing the gut after you give the antibiotics. And she talks about feed. So the horses that are fed a forage-based diet, which is what I suggest with the Stanley Timothy hay pellets and hay 24/7 and the Big Sky minerals, she says they seem to have a healthier, broader population of microbes than grain-fed horses. And I can tell you why. Because grain-fed horses, you have to have the horse's body has to have enough acid to break that processed food down. And so she's saying that the best to do is to get a good vitamin mineral supplement, which is in the Big Sky, and feed a forage-based diet. No commercial grain. So she's talking about prebiotics, and prebiotics are short-chain fibers that grow on, that the microbiota grows on, and they are found on plant chicory and fed in concentrated powders twice a day. You do not have to have any chicory growing by. Other than the others are the fructose, beta-glucans from mushrooms, or things like oats and barley. And they could be found in some probiotic supplements on the market. Prebiotics. Prebiotics can also be in the form of humus, which is in the Big Sky mineral, and the fluic and the humic acid, which is in the Big Sky minerals, and in the amino plus that Big Sky sells. So she's saying that you could feed this after the horse is done with the antibiotics. And then it talks about herbs, and I would say go to Herbs of the World to get their marshmallow. I like to use Herbs of the World because she does the best as far as getting the herbs as fresh as you can get, and they're processed with very little chemicals. Nutrients, okay, of course you want to put the horse on eat nutrients, and the best nutrient would be the Ultra Plus. So if the horse is done with the antibiotics, I would suggest the Ultra Plus to clean out the liver, the kidneys, and any parasites left in the brain. And she talks about colostrum. Now, colostrum is in the Big Sky. It is in the Big Sky, believe it or not, and a very trace amount, but it's in there. And then it talks about probiotics. This is always useful as part of damage control and useful repair process. During the antibiotic usage, the drugs can be killing off most of the probiotics you are adding. So, however, it's still beneficial to do it after the antibiotics are done. The real repair comes from after the antibiotics are finished. That's what she says. So, so she says probiotic supplements primarily help create positive environment for the microbiota to thrive rather than replacing the damaged bugs. Probiotics should be free of additives, fillers, sugar, and preservatives. And if possible, it helps to have them microscopulated to prevent breakdown on the way to the maw and large intestines that products without the micro escapability do help. Meaning that the acid that, you know, as soon as the horse starts chewing and swallowing along that throat area, the horse starts to build an acid and it actually burns up your probiotics. So we're going to go to my book, Natural Equine Remedies, and we're going to look at the high track. It's a biological feed additive designed to maximize digestive efficiency, physical and psychological stress caused by high travel, competition, breeding, and treatments with antibiotics. And some of the anti-parasite products can dramatically disrupt the horse's metabolism by destroying and depleting the beneficial intestinal bacteria. These bacteria must produce all enzymes necessary to convert feed from the form that the horse can use. So the bacteria microbes also assist in vitamin production and help prevent harmful bacteria from entering and multiplying in the digestive tract, while the other probiotics on the market merely add 1 or 2 of the strains of beneficial bacteria. High Track from Highland uses a fermented extract which nourishes the natural bacteria and encourages them to reproduce and multiply. And that's why I feed the High Track daily, and I mix it with the apple cider vinegar and the Ultra Plus and the Minizyme. The Fast Track is a probiotic. It contains actual organisms that live in the gut. So what that means is if they live in the gut, when you're feeding the Fast Track, again, like Dr. Harman says, it could be eaten on the way down if you don't have a way to protect it. So the High Track does not contain the gut flora. It contains the ideal ideal medium for them to live in. If the gut pH isn't healthy, you can pump as many gut flora in as you want, and they will not die or go dormant. High Track restores the gut's pH, and then it has the existing flora coming out of its dormancy. Okay? So now you got. So you have a natural plants here. It talks about the aminos plus. Endless preferred Harman dragon. I don't know if this link works anymore. It's been so long. But anyways, so get the this is a really good book. Get the book, Natural Equine Remedies. Okay? HappyNaturalHorse.com. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video and help somebody with their horse. Bye.